I'm sorry. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another stream, and yeah, hope you can stick around till I'm done. And today we're gonna reiterate on this problem called top k frequent elements, which I already solved, but I want to reiterate over it. It's been a long time, so I don't want to be rusty. The agenda for today is not being rusty, and also, yeah, there are a few things I want to look over in LSP, and seems like the way I implemented my the last feature which I worked on, completion feature, was not completely good, so I'll be working on that too a bit. Yeah, that's most of it, and I don't know if I can if I have time, I'll look at something more interesting. And yeah, the song request is available in the chat if I'm not wrong, and if someone wants to request a song, yeah, just follow the instructions along in my to-do list. Awesome. Yeah, let's see. Okay, top k frequent elements given an integer array, and integer return the k most frequent elements within the array. The test cases are generated such that answer is always unique, and you may return the output in any order. And yeah, just by looking at the problem, I mean, not the first time I'm looking at the problem, but refresh, god damn it. Yeah, just by looking at the problem, I can use a map to store all the frequencies, and then print out the top k. Okay, that would not be feasible because I can't sort a map. Can I? Might be I can. Maybe not. Let's see. So wait, map of int comma int, and frequency map, and I'll just say for auto I nums of I, sorry, map of freq of I plus plus, and for auto I in mp, sorry, freak the out I first, I dot second. So wait, vector int answer return. This should give me a log which I can work on easily. Okay, so yeah, so I have to iterate through the top 3 elements, and yeah, I can use, do I need to use something, or I can just go through this thing in a reverse order if I can? I mean, this is an ideal case where I'll say 3 is 3. What if 1 is many? So what if I say, if I use test case, I'll say 1 is 1 comma 1. Oh, it will be like 4 ones. And how is the sort order now? Okay, where is that case? 1 is 4, so it doesn't sort based on it. Yeah, I can sort the array and do it if I want to. If I do unordered map, what will be the outcome of this thing? 3 1 2. And if I sort the array, nums dot begin, nums dot begin, I always get that thing wrong. And if I sort this thing, what is the output? Okay, my bad. It's a utility function, no? It's a utility. It's 3 1 and 2. Here it's like 3 1 and 2, 3 4 2. Okay, I might need to use a priority queue. Priority queue. Sure. Yep, priority queue will make sense here. What if I just do queue of pairs? Queue queue dot insert. How do I insert? Push, if I'm not wrong. Queue dot push, make pair I dot first comma I dot second, and for while q not equals to q dot pty. Will this work? Cout. I mean cout. What will be in first equals to yeah, let me check if my audio is working fine. That's a really painful thing to watch. And okay, where is my Twitch Twitch is doing better. Video producer. I'm gonna go the stream manager. Shitty well. Okay. Nah. Okay, it seems to be doing fine. Just let me cancel this audio out so that you don't hear my bullshit with me. Nice. Okay, you don't hear stuff. And bitrate seems to be fine. And yeah, the number of followers seems to be decent. And let's see. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, first equals to q dot top dot first. And equals to out first, out second, and I can comment this thing. I can comment this thing out and check if this thing is working. Oh, okay. Wait. Pairs was not declared in the scope. Okay, I guess it's just pair. And also I should do q dot pop front or any other make pair should be somewhat like this. Okay, where else did I fuck up? Can't I just do this? Nope. Okay, what is wrong with this thing now? Expected some form of fucky validation before this. Make pair. I'm not wrong. Yep. 3 2 2s and 1s. Here I go. See at this example, it's like 3 3s. Okay. I don't want to sort this thing out, but what is wrong with this thing now? 3 3 2 1. One should be at the top. Making a priority queue based on this. Kind of stuck now. I remember doing this problem, but like, how did I use the priority queue? Parent comma int queue. Did I sort it? No, I just used a priority queue. Priority queue always supposed to hold the top of 5 things. I do. Okay, first, because that might be the reason. Yep, 4 1 3 2. This seems to be an answer. So 4 times 1. So I'll just say and k greater than 0. Okay, and k minus minus will be happening here, and I'll just say k. Okay, now where is the answer? Move it here. Answer dot push back. Answer dot push back. I dot second. Where's second? Second. Yep. Submit should work. Yes, should work. How many times did I solve this damn thing? Wow. That's a painful thing to solve, my mate. Painful thing. Okay, let's see one more problem so that I can refresh my skills on this completely, and after that we'll go to somewhere where it is better to invest time in. I already looked at the solution, so no fucking way I'm gonna solve this thing. What would I try to do? Chat, any suggestions? Which problem should I take up? Which topic? Lame ass chat, but when I got 0 viewers, so I guess not. Let me pull up someone from chat. Yep. I'll call my boys if I can. How do I share my stream to someone else? Edit stream info, clip that, read channel, manage goals. Okay, streamer together. I'm not gonna do this. Okay, what am I trying to do now? Okay, I'm not gonna do this. How do I share? I want to share my view keyboard shortcuts. Always show events. Pop out player. Report playback issue. Advance. Let's see, how do I share this? Uh, uh, Random leetcode question. To show up if you can, that is. Okay. Sorry, wrong link. Why am I so bad at this? Fine. Boys are boys. Boys can understand. Yes, is typing something. Busy today or something? Okay. Yeah, for people who don't understand, here's my thing. I'm just waiting for S to reply. Nice. Yeah, you can feel free to join. No. You should give me a link. Ah, fuck no. Okay. I'll just invite everyone who is here. Copy. Sure. For whoever was looking for Discord. Damn it. By the way. How do I do an emoji? What would be appropriate? What would be appropriate? Here are what's up, mate? What would be the appropriate emoji to send to Yes so that he'll have a little bit cheer up moment so that he can pass his test right? Will this do? Will this do? I mean, you can type in the chat if you feel like. I'm sending it, by the way. So 1, 2, 3, bang. Mateys. Okay, S is offline, and yeah, we got one more friend there. But sure. Hey, Robbie, like, hi, mates. Hi. That sounds so goddamn English, but hi. So, what have you been up to, Robbie? Sure. Okay. What's up, Robbie? Like, what is going on, brother? It's been a long time. Yep. I'm kind of stuck in a dilemma. Yeah. So, what is up? Gotta remember to. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Okay, I'll just like we'll chat for another like 20 hard minutes if we can, and after that we'll get back to work. Yeah, I'm trying to get better at LeetCode skills, trying to grind it out, and so far I feel miserable every like once a week, and seems to be handling it fine. What's up with you, brother? What's up with you? If I'm not wrong, like Robbie, do you stream or something? I don't think so. Sorry. Yeah. And do you think LeetCode is lame? I just want to know. I mean, there are a few times when I felt LeetCode was the only best thing happened to me during my college. Do you think LeetCode is worth the time? That's the question. Guess I'm making sense. Yeah, you can take your sweet time. No worries. Okay. Robbie's in, S is out, and one more S is down. Fine. Welcome to the club, even I'm stupid. I mean, like there were times when I spent too much of my day doing LeetCode, but after getting into actual development, like working in a company for like 2 long years, I feel that I could invest my time in a better place. But this is something which I have to go through every now and then so that I can be sharp with my skills. So yeah, that's most of it. Yo, you struggle with easy problem, I struggle with stupid shit. Wait, let me just clear out the answer before I take a good look at it, so that we can just try to solve this thing once. Yeah, to encode list of strings to a single string, the encode string is then decoded back to the original string. Please implement encoded and decoded. Like, why do you struggle with the easy problems? Like, did you spend enough time on it, or like, like you try to wing it and it did not happen? That might be the case, but I don't think so. You might be better at it. Like, grind a bit more, mate. You're into IT, right? You're into computers, if I'm not wrong. And I have a fast way of talking, so I might have questioned you hell a lot of more questions than actually you can answer. My bad. It's completely my fault. Okay, let's see. Okay. Cool. Cool. So sweet. String encode. Ravi, you're there? Like, can I get started with the problem? I'm taking my time out for it, but it's fine. If you're busy, then I can get on with the problem. Yep. So yeah, let's just try to solve this thing, and I am not sure how I'll solve it, because I solved it before, but I don't know how to like get back to it. It's a hash based question. I know, like, I can solve this problem with hash tables, but how exactly, I don't know. Let's see, I have neat code love you, and output should be neat code love you. Before that, I have to encode it and decode it somewhere. So I'll just have to, I remember this problem if I'm not wrong. All I have to do is somewhat like this. Let me make a workspace. I have to take a string, and it's a length, and embed, append it before it. So the encoded string would look like this, somewhat like this. If it's like 4 hashtag neat, if I'm not wrong, and it will be like 4 hashtag code, hashtag 4 hashtag love, and 3 I'm not wrong, la. Okay, 4 hashtag code, and yeah, so there's an hash here. Okay, yeah, 3 hashtag eu. That would be an appropriate way to solve this thing. Yep. Can I do that? While decrypting, it will be somewhat like this. I'll just say take s dot sub str of the given string, and it's like first one will be the length, position plus length. Length is to parse int. How do I parse to int? I can just do int if I'm not wrong. So that would be my way to solve this thing. Let's see. How can I encode this thing? I should return result string res equals to a, god damn it. Okay, I'll do a for loop on each string of strings, so it's like auto I of strs. Am I making any sense right now, or does it feel like bullshit? If it feels like crap, then I'm going in a good way, just for my knowledge. Yep. Okay, I feel a bit under the weather today. Let's see. I'll just take length of the current string, int len equals to I dot size, and I'll tell res plus equals to to string len. Does to string work? I mean, I can just give it a shot. Your res. You can print the res here. Let's see. Oh, sorry. I have to fix this to vector of string res. Okay. 443. Yep. Hashtag. This should build my string to a certain point. Okay. And I can just append the string right now, res plus equals to I. Okay. Okay. How do I decode it now? I don't have a fucking clue. How do I decode it now? Okay. So if I can do this, I'll just say for int I equals 0, I less than dot size I plus plus. I'll take a string and I'll tell the first character is length. Okay. So int len equals to of 0 as of I, and first character is 0, and let's dot push back s dot substr of I comma the length. If I do that, I equals I plus len. What will be the outcome of this? It's like I'm pushing everything down. What is the len in this case? Length is 4, so I'm getting from 0 to 4. Okay. Am I processing it wrong or what? Okay, what is the length? The character, the number. So I have to convert it into int before doing that. I have to convert this thing into int before I do that. Neat code loves you. Neat. I got neat. Okay, that's a good progress. And I have to jump. Yeah, every now and then I look at Rust, but not that aggressive like before. Like, are you still working on Rust? Are you? I mean, I do miss it really bad. but I barely find any time to invest on it. So, and by the way, I have 52 subscribers. Congratulate me for being me. But yeah, nice, right? Learning game dev. Yeah, that's an interesting thing you're doing, Rob. Like every now and then I feel interested to do that too, but I don't know. I have to get better at this thing first, and after that I'll take my speed time with Rust. Rust and Zig and Rust are two things which I wanna try in the list that I wanna do. Okay, you're not my subscriber yet. In hell, how do I share this thing? How do I share? Yeah, this is my channel. I gave a dipshit name for it, but yo, sure. 52 subscribers, by the way. I mean, if I can look at my history, I guess I'll find few things which I wrote on Lust. Sorry, Rust, not Lust, motherfucker. I guess you can be in one of these conversations, because like Whisper.ai was something which we worked on long back, and yeah, there was one video which completely blew up. If you see my popular list, yeah, Whisper.cppai, the one which we let me mute this thing. Remember the setup I used to have before? How many X's am I running in? Oh, 1.5. That's why I see like a this used to be my setup before, and this is my current setup which I'm working on. Which one is better? This is something which I'm working on recently. You can give your review out, but I'm trying to write an LSP in TypeScript. Lately my job needed me to work on TypeScript a bit more than what I used to do before, so planning to get better at that. So my plan to get better at writing a TypeScript is by writing an LSP. Yep. I mean, if you're not using Alacrity, what are you doing in your life? What I meant to say was like I mostly use my MacBook M3, MacBook Pro M3 in my day-to-day life, in my work, that is. And the font and Alacrity, the look and feel of the entire thing feels like butter. I swear to God, I could give up this entire laptop, the Windows one which I'm using, which I used to game. I could give the entire thing up and just use Alacrity in a MacBook and avoid everything. But I hate the animations in Mac, by the way. It's just too laggy. It pisses me off many of the times too. Preferably, I would like to use Ubuntu, but like I can't edit the videos out. So let's see how good was I. I was doing good at certain point of time in Rust, but like yeah, I lost my touch in it a bit. I'll get back. No worries. I mean, this was the only video that blew up bad in my channel, and after that, I guess everything was kind of decent, not that good. But yes, I guess you're one of my subscribers in this. Yeah, I mean, I do hate AI stuff in my terminal, but lately I've been trying to like, how do I say it? Involve what GitHub Copilot inside my setup, and that seems to be working, but I don't completely love it as of now. Not, I mean, love hate relationship with Copilot, but yeah, that's most of it. So where will this thing take me? What is the length right now? It's like I is 0 and length is what, 4. So 0 plus 4, it will take me to 4th string is 0 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. It'll take me to E. That's it. That's why it's fucking up. I need to go to the end of the string. I plus 2 plus 2. I mean, plus 2 will not get me anywhere. I need to get to the next string. How do I do it? So I can just say if it's hash, the next character will be length, and the next I can do this in reverse order. Okay, this shit seems to be turning blue and gray, but yep. So I can just say if s of I equals to hash, I can just say out. Yeah. And I've been writing a lot of C++ recently, and seems to be enjoying that too. But compared to Rust, not that great of an experience, I would say. But Rust was hard to get used to. But once I got used to it, it felt better. And I'll say I equals to I plus 1. And yeah, length equals to, how do I convert it into int? It will be like s of I minus 0. And that should do it. I mean, I should print out length instead of it. Okay, I guess I found the length. Now res dot push dot sub I plus 1 plus length. Acha, Ravi, I just wanted to ask, like, do you use Harpoon, by the way? Harpoon, one that Prime wrote. Yeah, I can just do this res dot push back dot substr I plus 1 len. Hopefully this should work, and submit. It's been long fucking time since fuck. Okay, I can't use a special character. Yeah, Harpoon. Okay, I guess for a while, but I tend to use control O. Oh yeah, oil beam or tree seater. Oil beam is something which I'm trying to integrate in my setup too. But yeah, controller O and I is the best. But Harpoon, I recently started to take a liking towards it. And if you see my LinkedIn, where's my LinkedIn? I might have wrote a post about it too. Where's my post, baby? Wait, okay. Okay, some guy asked me for my referral, so would do that too. So fine. Yeah, I wrote a post about it, and my colleague made fun of me too. But yeah, here it is. It's pretty fun. Rob, do you work? Like, do you work in an IT company or not? That's the question. But sorry if it comes out wrong. Okay, I can't use hash because this is blowing this thing up. Okay, there's an edge case for it. Character can be anything. Can I just say, does it belong to a spectrum kind of answer? And do these guys have a string decoded back to original string? And awesome. Like you're in school, you're using the Rust, and people now are like far better at coding than I when I started. Like I was lucky just that I could get a job in 2022, if I'm not wrong. That's the time when I started, and I just had a bare minimum knowledge of DSAlgo and some projects to show for showcase. So those kind of helped me out. um no, like I used to do C++, and after that my job which I'm currently working on wanted me to write C sharp for a bit. Like it was somewhere around 8 months I wrote C sharp, and after that it was TypeScript, Node.js basically. So that's my career phase. It moved from C++ to C sharp to TypeScript, and I wrote Java for a few months, like maybe 3 or 4 months, and worked on front end for a bit and worked on back end for a bit, and also worked on AWS microservices for like quite a long time. Like it's been 1.5 years I started working with cloud services, and they seems to be interesting too. And yeah, that's most of it. I mean, I would preferably use Rust or Zig right now than to use any other language, which is quite the popular thing to do. But yeah, Zig is like Zig caught my attention recently, so I'm trying to explore it a bit. Okay, my bad. Wrong time. Wrong. Okay, yeah, I guess that answers your question. But yeah, so every time I come across a string which is greater than or equal to 0, and if I less than or equal to, I don't know, 9, what if the length is two digit number, then I'm fucked. That would be painful. Mm-hmm. I mean, I can use a hint of m for encoding decoding, where m is called the sum of largest of substring. So if I see the current time that I'm taking to iterate, it's like O of n time and O of 1 for space for each encoding and decoding, where m is the sum of length of all strings. I guess I'm on the right path there. An I solution would be to use a non-ASCII character as a delimiter. Can you think of a better way? Hmm. Non-ASCII character. What would be a non-ASCII character? Let's take another hint. Try to encode and decode the strings using. That doesn't work in C++ if I'm not wrong. I can't encode a null character. We can encode an approach where we start, let's use hash for simplicity, then use the string itself to decode. We read the number until we reach. Okay. Yeah, I used it and I blew it up right now. Let's use a hash for simplicity, then your string itself, try to decode, and we read the number until we reach hash, then use the number to read. I wouldn't say that's a, since hash is kind of the character inside it, I guess the test cases were like yeah, I mean see, using null terminated string. Let's see. I guess this is how you write a null. What would be the output? Okay, in member function. If I'm not wrong, I can just do int a equals to null like this. But why is the intelligence not working? That should be it. Okay. Error null pointer was not declared. Achha. Now the thing. I guess I can't use it. There was a way that I used to solve it. Let's see. How do I solve it? I just need to use numbers, but what if the numbers are there inside the given case? I mean, I just spent too much time on this problem, but it's fine. Let's see. Solution would make a sense at least now. So encoding, decoding. Okay, this guy is using the same approach as I'm using right now, but what is the difference? He said like encode vector size interest strings of s and string dot pushback. Okay, I want an encoded string, so I just press hash. I'm not using length. In that case, my test was supposed to pass. Let's see. Okay, instead of me seeing, I can do something like this hash and s of I plus 1 is a number. It's a number. It will be like greater than or equal to s of 0 and of I plus 1 is done or equal to 9. It's a number, then that should work. Ideal case is okay, that blew up bad. S of I plus 1. Okay, I forgot to append my hash. Okay, hopefully this solves it. This should solve it. Fuck no, it did not solve it. Okay, wait, what is the encoded string? Okay, I'm supposed to take in a number. Okay, it can be 2 digits too. I can just say start and go, wait till the next hash comes up. That will be a solution too. Let's see how this guy solved it. Optimal way. Yeah. Optimal way, it's like, okay, string. What I'm doing right now. Okay. Hash will be moved to here. Plus hash. And what I'm doing here is that. So while I less than s dot size, j less than I, if s of j not equals to hash hype j plus plus int length string to integer. Okay, this guy is cooking something good, but I don't understand it that well. So he's telling unless j is not equals to a hash, then keep going forward. That would be my number. So I'll just take length from there, and after that I'll say j equals to j plus 1, I equals to I plus length, and res dot pushback substring. Okay, that's a better way. Let's see if I can implement it. I'll just say while int I equals 0, I less than s dot size, and I'll also say if int j equals to I, while s of j not equals to hash. So then I'll calculate my length using this int length equals to string to integer is dot substr I to j minus I. Now this should give me an length, sorry, handle, and yeah, length. Oh, sorry, I gotta move the pointers a bit. Head I plus plus j plus plus. No, not I plus plus or j plus plus. Gotta write the complete logic first. I equals to j plus j plus 1 to avoid the hash. J equals I plus length a bit ahead, whereas equals to push back dot substr I comma length. Okay, and I equals to j. End of the day, it's fine. Nice. Okay, my bad. Ramachandra, that is hurting my throat bad. Like I just hurt my throat really bad. So let's see why this thing is working fine. Okay, I'm just using it as a point to find my length instead of using it as a proper character to identify if the string starts. Okay, that's where I fucked up. Nice, good way to fuck up. And after that, what did I do? I did nothing special after that. It's contained properly. I got half of the logic wrong. I guess I can improve on it a bit more. What do you think, Rob? I still do suck at these questions, right? Damn, it's tiresome, dude. Like my neck is killing me. And when will you done? When will you graduate? My question is, when will you graduate? I'm really bad at making small talks, dude. For some reason, I try to improve on it every single time, but I turn out to be way better than when I don't try. So tell me, Moonthai, when will you graduate? Let's see if I can find something better to work on after this. Yeah, let me update this thing too first. Yapo. Okay. Sorry, my bad. So 3 years again at you study in German school, so wow. I always wanted to be there. If I can, like, I would preferably work in Germany or UK sometime in near future. If that can happen, I would visit you, buddy. I mean, my throat is completely fucked up, so my tonality might sound weird for a bit. So let's see if do I have time to work on Builder LSP today? Guess not, but let's see. I don't know why, like, Builder LSPs, I started working on it long back and I don't feel that better about it right now. And if I what's up with the text, buddy? Okay, I fucked up something in my alacrity. Okay, something is shitty wrong with my alacrity. Okay, I guess. I did something wrong with my alacrity now. Did I? Did I do something wrong? I don't know. I guess I'm keep changes for fucks. Okay, now it seems to be working fine. What's wrong with this thing? Okay, copy. Okay, I can do this one. So, makes sense. Not, nah. Don't save. It's fine. What is wrong with this thing now? Okay, okay, I'm trying to look at this. Where are you, alacrity? You know what? I can just go to alacrity in this way. PD slash mount C users. By the way, I'm using WSL, so not that good. Charlie, app data and roaming alacrity. Did I do something to my alacrity now? Okay, Windows path. It's fine, but what did I do? Open the. Okay, my undo tree is fucked up. Windows path. I just want to check if this thing is not fucked up. Okay, this is not BSing right now. Let me check with this. Okay, seems to be working fine. Did I mess up with the opacity again? Bruh. You know what? I'll just go here and not this place ma. Okay, opacity. It's not 1.9. It should be 1.97. That would make all the difference in the world. 9.8 would make it a little bit more less visible. 9.9. I don't want to see what's in the background, but I just want my text to pop a bit, if you know what I mean. Do you know what I mean? Okay, let me update what I'm doing in the stream so that people can understand. And some config changes would be accurate. So let's see. I mean, between Windows and Mac, like which font system do you love the most? Do you like Mac fonts? Like, have you ever used Mac before? A lot of questions. Do you? Have you ever used Mac before? I would preferably use Linux, but yeah. Man, like I'm so jealous of you because like the reason that I can't use Linux is because I stream and I have to edit my videos, and for some reason I don't see DaVinci Resolve working properly in Linux. And there are hell lot more reasons too, but yeah, that's the main reason that I can't use Linux right now. And it's painful. It's painful. I'm not even kidding. It's painful to use WSL. But yeah, I somehow try to make it work, and I hate the fonts in this thing. I really hate the fonts in Windows. I don't have any beef with Windows, by the way, but like I really hate how they come up with this shit. That makes any sense. Okay, let's see. If I do a readme, it should probably load my LSP. Yes, it's loading my LSP. It's loading my LSP. I'll just do L. Fine. And if I do a hover, hover seems to be not triggering. So I'll just do a split screen and say nvim/t temp files and log LSP logs. And yeah, this is where I'm screwing up. I'm not able to trigger my hover feature, hover provider, but there is no place where that is telling it is being triggered. So I guess I have to work on my complete feature a bit more, completion, because I don't think this is done right. I can change fonts, but like the number of variations that I can get is really limited, and for some reason alacrity in Windows acts funny, really funny. So I tried doing it, and I'm trying to do it right now, and yeah, I've been unsuccessful bad for past 2 days. Let's see, baby. And also like, I mean, I can search for ways. I mean, let me get a proper search window. I mean, I already have a search window, sorry. Where is it? Where is it? Where is my search window, ma? Okay, just say nerd fonts Windows. So if I go here, need help installing nerd fonts on Windows. I mean, let's give it a shot. Like if you said it, we'll try to do it the same way. Install other fonts in window. Okay, download a font file. This often comes compressed in zip file. In one zip file you might find several variations of the fonts, light, heavy. Okay. Control panel, fonts, appearances, personalization, fonts. Next time you start Word, you'll see I don't want font in Word, bitch. But I have this thing called a terminal preview, which will list out all the fonts that I have. If you see, I mean, I'm fucking with it a bit. So if you see here, yeah, show all fonts, and I have Ubuntu. Okay, Ubuntu seems to be there now. Ubuntu fonts, save. So let's see, how does Ubuntu font look? Okay, that's bad, but let me use Tmux and then see. Okay, not that good, not that good. I guess I should restart the computer after I do something like SF mono node fonts. If this thing works, it works like God. I don't want italic, for fuck's sake. SF mono. Why is it italic? Why is it italic? Okay. Mono. I heard this is like alternative for like Mac fonts in Windows. So wait. Switch. Okay, I'll try that. Is there a video editor which I can use in um node fonts, node fonts. F- array fira code node font, and I can just do this. Okay, let's see. I hate the Windows installer too, but not the best I can do. I'll give it a shot. So wait. Medium, install it. Okay. Let's go to Termi. Mr. Termi, where are you, Termi? Where are you, Termi, now? Did I close you? Did I shut you down? Okay. What is that again? Fi R. I guess I have to restart the computer before this thing comes in. Let's see. Even this is one of the things that I wanted to try yesterday. JetBrains, bro, JetBrains. And this is better. Not gonna lie. I don't like this fonts a bit. I guess if I restart my PC, then the fonts will start load on. Last I checked, that is the only way right now. Mono consoles. Consoles is like by default to a large thing, but it gets the job done for now. And what am I using in Alacrity? Yep. If I go here, font dot family equals to CONSOLAS. Okay. Consas. Okay, I can just do JetBrains mono. Do I see any change? Okay, fonts. Unused configuration key fonts. What? I read it somewhere. Set up fonts in TOML yesterday. What was that, by the way? What? Not this one. I need a TOML answer for it. TOML. Yo. I mean, I don't want it to be. And my back hurts bad. Okay, let's see. Where did I see it? First link that showed up. This one. So font. So I can use something like this now. Let's see. I did something similar to the one on the top yesterday. Okay, what is the error now? Error TOML pass error. Column 8. Expected equal to. Okay, what is wrong? Am I going right? Like I just want this command to work. Like if you can type it down in the chat, it will be more helpful. And I'm stupid at this configuration for now, at least. What is wrong with this thing? Okay, console is code. Cascadiana consoles. Okay, I guess I figured it wrong. Rob, I need your help, brother. I need your help. It was like font.fmily equals to. Okay, what is wrong with now? Oh, sorry. No semicolon. Shit here. So do I see a visible change? I do see a visible change. I do see a visible change. What if I just use a different font which is really fucked up so that I can see if this is working really or not? I can just do. Nope, doesn't seem to be working. Font family. Font dot family. Nope. I found something in the internet yesterday which I could use. Fix font size, not font size. Okay, how to change alacrity font. Someone had something which I could use. Okay, I already went in. Oh, Discord. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Let's see if this thing works for me. I mean, I don't have fire code as of now, but I can just do. Nah, there is no medium option in consoles. So what do I do? I can find. JetBrains Mono might have. Okay. Seems to be working fine. I guess I'll just install Firecode Nerd font next time I restart my PC. That would be great. And yeah. Okay, I used it yesterday and seems to be not that much of an effective thing. But next time I install, like I guess it should work. And thanks for this, by the way. Love you, mate. Love you. Lately, yeah. So the thing that I'm trying to fix today is that this completion is completely inefficient, fucking inefficient, and I'm trying to find a way to make it efficient, because right now I'm passing in labels, and also there are a few more steps I have to do to make the completion list work. I guess I'll take it up another stream, because I feel really tired right now because of not that I'm streaming for a long time, for an hour or so, but yeah. But I do feel tired time to time. Like it's really tiring, dude. Like, what do you feel like? How do you guys, like, how many hours do you code in a day if you can? Spell it out for me. To-do list. I mean, I guess I can work a bit on my LSP today, like for some time at least. Yeah, school is going on, right? Right. What am I trying to do? To-do list. Yep. Completed task 1 true. Task 1 done. I guess this is not my next stream. I don't know what I'll do in this stream, so I guess that should not be in my list of things to do. Say. I am bad at something, so I fix that. I am bad at something. Okay. So let's see. How does completion list work? Where is this? Okay. Man, my middle click is like fucked up bad, but I don't know. So Rob, my friend, by the time you graduate, the market will be a little bit more fucked up than usual, so I guess you are prepared for it a bit. What was I doing? Not it's somewhat like this. Okay. Completion request. The completion request is sent from the client to server to compute the completion items of a given cursor position. Completion item are present in IntelliSense. Okay, IntelliSense. General term used for various code. Okay, that I know. Let's see. The completion items present in user interface. Computing full completion items is less expensive, and server can additionally provide a handle for completion items resolved. Completion item resolved. The request is sent when the completion item is selected for the user interface. A typical use case is, for example, the text document completion request doesn't fill in the document properly. The user interface, then a completion item was sent with the selected complete item. The written completion item should have the documentation properly filled in. By default, the request can only delay the computation of the details and documentation. Since 3.16.0, the client can signal that it can resolve more properties lazily. This is done using completion item resolve support. Okay. Client capabilities, which list all the properties that can be filled in during the completion item resolve request all other properties. Okay. Sort text, filter text, insert text, and text editor must be provided. Text document completion response and must not be changed during the resolve. Wow, I have zero brain power right now. I guess. You know what? Like, let's wrap it up for today. I'm like feeling way too tired for it, and I'll recover my health back, and we'll make sure that we'll make tomorrow's streams a little bit long and a little bit loud, a little bit more fun. So what do you say? Peace out for today. Rob, let's just peace out for today. I'm waiting for you, dude. I'm waiting for you. Awesome. So yeah, see you tomorrow. And yeah, and if someone is watching this video in watching this video in YouTube, I don't know what they are doing till now, but thank you for everyone showing up. So bye bye, and love hanging around with people.